Sora 2 is literally breaking the internet right now. Everyone is talking about it, everyone wants to use it, but here is the problem. You probably can't access it. No invite code, not in the US, stuck on a waitlist, I get it. But what if I told you there is a way to use Sora 2 right now? Unlimited generation, no invite codes, no original restrictions, and you can start in the next 5 minutes. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to access unlimited Sora 2 through Higgsfield, why it's actually better than OpenAI's version, and I will break down the pricing so you know exactly what you are getting. Let's jump right in. So first, what exactly is Sora 2 and why is everyone losing their minds over it? Sora 2 is OpenAI revolutionary AI video generator that just launched on September 30th, 2025. And it's not just another AI tool. This is a complete game changer for video creation. Here is what makes it special. Sora 2 understands actual physics. When a basketball bounces, it follows real trajectories. When water splashes, it behaves naturally. Older AI models would literally cheat. Objects would teleport or defy gravity. Sora 2 gets it right. This is huge. Sora 2 generates synchronized audio built in. We are talking dialogue, background music, ambient sound, and sound effects, all perfectly synced with the visual. No separate tool needed. The lip sync accuracy is about 90%. That's better than most text-to-speech tools creators use today. Sora 2 can create multiple shots while keeping characters, environments, and lighting perfectly consistent. If someone wears a red jacket in shot 1, it stays red in shot 5. Previous AI models completely failed at this. The output quality is genuinely cinema grade. Golden hour lighting, natural lens flares, anamorphic widescreen aesthetics, it's all possible. This is professional level content. But here is where it gets frustrating. Even though Sora 2 exists, most people involved literally cannot use it. And there are 3 major reasons why. Sora 2 is completely invite only. You need a special invite code to even download the app. OpenAI gives each user only 4 invite codes to share, and people are literally selling these codes on eBay for $10 to $45 because demand is so insane. If you don't have a code, you're stuck on a waitlist with no timeline for when you will get access. It could be days, weeks, or months. Even if you somehow get an invite code, Sora 2 is only available in the United States and Canada. If you are in India, Europe, Asia, Africa, or South America, anywhere else in the world, you are completely locked out. There is no announced timeline for global rollout. OpenAI hasn't said when or if they will open it to other countries. And if you are in the US and have an invite code, you still face strict limits. The free tier has very limited generation. The paid plan goes up to $200 per month for Sora 2 Pro quality. Plus, there is a confusing credit system, watermarks on your videos, and generation queues during peak hours. So if you are sitting there thinking I want to use Sora 2 but I can't, you are not alone. Millions of creators worldwide are in the exact same situation. But here is the good news. There is a solution, and it's actually better than OpenAI's official app. You just have to go to Higgsfield.ai. Higgsfield just launched both Sora and Sora 2 Pro, and they have completely removed all the barriers that OpenAI put up. Let me show you why this is a game changer. Feature number 1 is no invite code needed. First, zero invite code required. You literally just sign up with your email, confirm it, and you are in. No waitlist, no begging for codes, no paying resellers. Second, it's available worldwide. India, Europe, Asia, Africa. Doesn't matter where you are. If you have internet, you can access it. This is massive for creators outside the US who have been completely shut out. Third, and this is the big one, unlimited generation. There is no credit system. No, you have used up your quota. No restriction. Generate as many videos as you want. Think about that. Unlimited Sora 2 Pro quality videos for creators and businesses. This is absolutely huge. Fourth, full 1080p output on both Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro. No resolution caps, no quality downgrades. Fifth, you get access to Sora 2 Pro, which is the advanced version with better multi-scene storytelling, enhanced motion reasoning, and narrative continuity. This is the premium tier that OpenAI charges $200 per month. And sixth, Higgsfield add exclusive features that OpenAI doesn't have. Sora 2 Trends, a built-in library of the top 100 viral prompts updated daily. Video enhancer, upscale and fix artifacts after generation. Integration with other top models like VEO 3.1, WAN 2.2 and WAN 2.5, and the last one is Kling. Higgsfield Soul for ultra-realistic image generation and Higgsfield Speak for talking avatar videos. So you're not just getting Sora 2, you are getting an entire AI content creation studio in one platform with unlimited access globally available and no invite codes required. This is literally the only way most people in the world can actually use Sora 2 technology right now. Alright, let me show you exactly how to get started. This will take you less than 2 minutes. First, head over to higgsfield.ai. I will put the link in the description. This is the home page. Click on sign up. I have already signed up. You just have to enter your email, create a password and verify your email. No invite code needed, no special access required. Once you are logged in, you will see something like this. Click on video and click on create video. Here is your Sora 2 workspace. If you click on model, you have option for Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Sora 2 Max or Sora 2 Pro Max. You also have option for Google Veo 3.1, Google Veo 3. You can also access models like WAN 2.5, Seedream Pro and also Kling 2.5. Select either Sora 2 for standard quality or Sora 2 Pro for premium cinematic output. Pro is where the magic really happens. Better physics, better continuity, better everything. Now you have got two options. You can either upload image from here or write prompt directly, and you can select the duration from here, and you can also select aspect ratio from here. For YouTube videos, you can select the option 16:9, and for TikTok, Reels or short videos, you can select the option 9:16. Pro tip: if you don't want to write prompts from scratch, click on Sora 2 Trends and it will take you to this website. Click on this preset. This shows you the top 100 viral prompts that are working right now on social media. Just click any preset, customize it if you want and generate. This is literally the fastest path to viral content. That's the complete video from sign up to finished video in under 2 minutes. No technical skill needed, no complicated setup. Now you might be thinking, okay, but is Higgsfield Sora 2 the same quality as OpenAI? The answer is yes, and in some ways it's actually better. Let me explain why. Higgsfield uses the exact same Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro technology that OpenAI developed. The AI model is identical. You are getting the same physical simulation, same audio generation, same quality output. The advantage is better access. But where Higgsfield's win is accessibility. Remember, OpenAI Sora 2 is invite only and US only. Higgsfield is open to everyone and everywhere. For creators in other countries, this is your only option to access Sora 2 technology. OpenAI isn't available in other countries except Canada and US. OpenAI has strict credit limits even on paid plans. Higgsfield unlimited generation. Create 10 videos a day or 100 videos a day. It doesn't matter. Let's talk about the advantage of using Higgsfield. Higgsfield isn't just Sora 2, it's an entire AI creation platform. Generate images with Soul, create talking avatar with Speak, access Veo 3.1, WAN 2.5, Kling, all in one place. Use the enhancers to upscale to 4K, browse trending prompts with Sora 2 Trends. It's a complete AI studio, not just one tool. And here is the kicker. It's significantly cheaper. OpenAI charges up to $200 per month for Sora 2 Pro quality. Higgsfield starting at $9 per month and Pro plan at $17 to $29 per month with unlimited generation. So yes, Higgsfield give you the same Sora 2 technology but with better access, unlimited usage, more features and at a fraction of the cost. For anyone who can't access OpenAI app, which is most of the world, this is legitimately the best option available. Alright, let's talk about pricing because this is super important. Higgsfield has 4 main plans and I will tell you exactly which one makes sense for you. First, there is a basic plan which is $9 per month and gives you 150 credits monthly. Access to Sora 2, Higgsfield Soul and standard video models. This works if you are creating occasionally, maybe a few videos per week for social media. The Pro plan is where most creators should be. It's $17.4 per month if you pay annually. You will get 600 plus credits per month, access to Sora 2 Pro, the premium model, Higgsfield Speak included for talking avatars, priority generation queue, access to VEO3, Kling, WAN 2.5, all premium models, commercial use allowed. If you are serious about AI content creation, this is the sweet spot. You are paying $17 per month for unlimited Sora 2 Pro access when OpenAI charges $200 per month. That's less than 10% of the cost for the same technology. The ultimate and creator plans goes up to $29.4 per month and give you massive credit amounts, 5 to 8 concurrent generation priority support and 15% discount on extra credits. This is for agencies, businesses or full-time creator who are generating hundreds of videos per month. My honest recommendation, if you are just starting, try the basic plan to test it out. If you are a content creator making regular videos, try the pro plan at just $17.4 per month is unbeatable value. And remember, all plans allow commercial use. So you can use these videos for client works, social media, YouTube, whatever you need. So what can you actually create with Higgsfield Sora 2? Let me show you real use cases that are working right now. Create viral short form content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reel and TikTok. The 12-second format is perfect for this. Generate 10 to 20 videos, post the best one and scale your content. Turn product photos into dynamic video ads, upload your product image and motion and boom, you have got a professional commercial. Create explainer video tutorials and educational content with the speak feature for talking avatars in 40 languages. You can also make cinematic trailers for your projects, pre-visualize film scenes, or create storyboards with cinematic grade quality. Generate social media ads for client or your business. Test different concepts quickly without expensive product cost. Create a viral meme format like bodycam footage, retro commercial, pop culture mashup, all the stuff that's blowing up on TikTok right now. The possibilities are genuinely endless. Whether you are a YouTuber, social media creator, business owner, marketer or filmmaker, Sora 2 on Higgsfield can transform your content game. So here is the bottom line. Sora 2 is the most advanced AI video technology in the world right now, but OpenAI made it invite only and locked it to the US and Canada. Higgsfield solved the problem. They give you unlimited Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro access globally available, no invite codes with additional features like trends and enhancer, all starting at just $9 per month. For creators in India and anywhere outside the US, this is literally your only way to access Sora 2 technology right now. The link to Higgsfield is in the description. Go sign up. Start with free plan if you want to test it and experience what Sora 2 can do. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe. I am covering the latest AI tools every week. Drop a comment telling me what's the first video you will create with Sora 2. I will feature the best idea in my next video. You can post it in my Discord channel. I will put my Discord channel link in the description. The AI content revolution is here and it's accessible to everyone now. Don't get left behind. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.